In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use an Android tablet as an extended monitor. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. By using the application that I'm going to be showcasing in this video, you will be able to extend your main display using a spare tablet. So you will download this app on your tablet and your main display, either a PC, laptop, whatever you have, and both of them will be connected together. You can either duplicate your display or extend it. This app is called SpaceDesk, and you can find it here on the website at spacedesk.net. And of course, like I said before, you will also have to download it through the Play Store or the App Store for your tablet. So choose the option to download the SpaceDesk app viewer here, and then download it for your PC as well, viewer for Windows 10 or Windows 11 on the Microsoft Store. Once you have downloaded the app on your PC and your tablet, open it up. First, on the SpaceDesk driver console. In here, you will be able to enable or disable the application altogether, and you can choose the connection method. So to start, go into the communication interfaces and choose which one you want to use. If you want to do a wireless connection, then network adapters must be on. If you want to use a cable, then USB cable driver Android must be on. So click on either of these and change them according to your preferences. Make sure that the tool itself has been switched to on, and you can manage the connections. Now open the SpaceDesk app on your tablet, and the connection should appear here. As long as both devices are on the same network, they will easily talk or communicate with each other, and the connection will be established. By default, your screen will be duplicated. To change this, if you are on Windows, press Windows plus P, and instead of choosing duplicate, select extend. Once you do this, you can manage the tablet. By going over to the display settings, you can change its position, put it at the side, put it at the top, put it below, and use it as an additional display. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.